Hi, I don't think we've met before. I'm Sophia.
Nice to meet you, Sophia. I'm Goran.
How are you enjoying the party so far?
It's great. The atmosphere is really nice. How about you?
Yes, I'm having a good time. The music is fun, and the food looks delicious.
I agree. Did you try the appetizers?
Not yet, I was just about to. Do you recommend anything?
The cheese bites are amazing. You should try them.
Thanks for the tip. So, do you know many people here?
A few. I came with a friend, but I'm meeting new people too.
That's the best part of parties, getting to know different people.
Exactly. By the way, do you live nearby?
Yes, I live just a few blocks away. What about you?
I'm a bit farther, about 20 minutes from here.
Oh, that's not too bad. Do you often come to events like this?
Sometimes. It's a nice way to relax after a busy week.
True. Well, it was really nice talking to you, Goran.
Same here, Sophia. Enjoy the rest of the party.